Hi, this is Jeanie Shea, your Hoover Realtor, and today I am thrilled to be talking with Leslie Davis, who is an interior decorator and a local DIY blogger. Leslie, I see DIY bloggers and I follow them on Facebook and I love watching you and all of that, but what exactly does that entail?
Well, what I do is make over my home and share with you the skills that I use to teach you to make over your own home. That's the real goal. And like the best thing is when people say, hey, I was able to do this project based on what you said and the tips you gave and just the perspective that you shared.
That is just so cool. I love watching it. And tell me, we are here among bricks, and what do you have going on today?
So a lot of bloggers work on this one-room challenge, and it's a biannual event, and so basically we make over a space in 6 weeks. We call together some sponsors and share our experiences, and the real goal of the space is really just to finish a room, so it doesn't have to be this grandiose major rip down walls and tear down your kitchen and start over, but it's really about finishing a space in 6 weeks.
And so what are you doing?
So we moved into a new house, and
and you're redoing your new house?
We're doing our new house. We had the builder leave.
How crazy.
It's crazy.
Yes.
We had the builder leave the backsplash off because I had grand plans, and so I'm working on 2 walls of brick.
Wow.
To kind of really, because my style is very much rooted into just something with the old world charm, something not quite so new, and so moving into a new construction, it just really needed that burst of character, and so that's what I'm trying to do.
So what I know from following you is that you do everything, like you were cutting brick?
Yes, yes. Like people are always kind of amazed at the skills that I have.
Yes.
But they're incremental things that you build upon. You learn one skill, and then you say, well, if I could do this, I can do that. And then if I can do this, I can do that. And so it's not like I started out knowing how to do all these things. Everything is just self-taught. I do a lot of research, really big on safety and doing things the right way. Like I always say, you never know what you're capable of until you try.
Right.
And did I think 5 years ago that I would be covering 2 walls in brick tile? Probably not.
Yeah.
But you do one little project and you just continue to grow from that. And I'm not afraid to try. And because you don't know what you can do until you try.
Right. So Leslie, I love following you and trying to learn all these things. I'm not brave enough to try them, but where do people find you?
So I blog at my at Deeply Southern Home. That is my business blog. I also do interior design and decorating and share all my DIY tutorials there. That's kind of like the hub, but I'm also obviously on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube.
Under Deeply Southern Home?
Under Deeply Southern Home, yes.
Awesome. Yeah. Home singular.
Yes, it's very
Perfect.
Easy to find. Just Deeply Southern Home everywhere. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I love hearing about all the things you do, and seeing your work firsthand is just awesome.